A big animal. A big animal. 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 A big animal. 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 Animal.
A movie about cats. A movie about cats. A movie about cats. About. About. Movie.
I'm reading a book about snakes. 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 I'm reading. I'm reading a book about snakes. Book. About. Sandwiches. I'm reading a book about snakes. I'm reading a book about snakes. Sandwiches. 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 Snacks. Snacks. Snakes. I'm reading a book about snakes. Snakes. Snakes.
Oh, the cat is running. Oh, the cat is running.
Where do you usually sit? 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 Where do you usually sit?
Sit. I'm writing. I'm writing.
Mom is writing in her office. Mom is writing in her office. Mom is writing in her office. Mom is writing in her office.
Mom is waiting in her office.
Where is Sarah right now? Where is Sarah right now?
Mom is writing her book right now. Writing. Writing. Writing.
Mom is writing her book right now.
Reading. Animals.
They're sitting in the kitchen now. 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 They're sitting in the kitchen now.
Feel.
Animal.
Scent.
Where?
Stomach.
He's sitting on my chair.
He's sitting on my chair.
He's sitting on my chair. He's sitting on my chair.
Right.
Play.
Animal. Where? Stomach.
The cat is sitting on Dad's head.
The cat is sitting on Dad's head.
I'm reading a book about animals.
I'm writing a book about animals.